What's up, everybody? It's your boy Zoo from the Eclectic Electric Transport and eLife Behind Bars on Instagram. Shock blew last week. Rev Rides came through with the speedy delivery. I was a little worried about installing it on my own. I followed Falcon. I listened to them on an installation. They disassembled it. They broke it down. I did my best. It was more like a dismemberment, but again, my scooter, my first replacement part. This was pretty technical for me, so I try to document it as best as I can. So if there's anyone going through this, they will learn from my fails. But in the long run, she's back. So let's check out the video. So my recommendation is when you're removing your shock, yet not to damage, a little bit of tapping, rubber mallet, or maybe something to just shimmy it out. Use your nail, pull it out. Pull it out, okay? But put these all back together once the pins are out. That may be. All right, let's get busy. Guess what, guys? Less is more. Before I Loctite it, inspecting it. So pretty much everything is lined up. We're gonna work our way down. Now we're gonna switch over to this side, loosen this one up. When I tighten each side, I tighten them gingerly, not full thrust.